Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a function notation problem. As per the problem, the velocity v of an object t seconds after beginning to accelerate from rest at constant acceleration a is modeled by the formula v of t equals half times a times t squared. According to this formula, what is the ratio of velocity of the object t seconds after the object begins to accelerate to the velocity of the object 2.5 t seconds after the object begins to accelerate? We are given four answer choices. We have to choose the correct answer choice. Let's analyze the given information. We are given a formula for velocity of an object after t seconds. This formula uses function notation. V of t equals half times a times t squared. In this formula, the variable t is the input variable or the independent variable, and variable v is the dependent variable. In this problem, we have to find the ratio of velocity at t seconds, which is v of t, and velocity at 2.5 t seconds. So we have to find the value of v of t over v of 2.5 t. We are given that v of t is equal to half times a times t squared. We can use this given formula to find the expression for v of 2.5 t. For that, we should replace t with 2.5 t in the given formula. I get half times a times 2.5 t squared. In the given formula, the square is on t, so that's why we put the square on 2.5 t, because we are replacing t with 2.5 t. We can simplify the expression on the right side. We can apply the square to 2.5 and t. Square of 2.5 is equal to 6.25, and square of t is equal to t squared. Next, we can multiply the terms on the right side. The denominator of 6.25 t squared is 1. We can multiply the terms by multiplying the top terms and the bottom terms. In the numerator, we can multiply the numbers. 1 times 6.25 is equal to 6.25. So I get 6.25 over 2 times a t squared. This is the expression for v of 2.5 t. We can use this expression to find the ratio v of t over v of 2.5 t. In the numerator, we can use the formula for v of t. That is half times a times t squared. And in the denominator, we can use the expression for v of 2.5 t, which is 6.25 over 2 times a t squared. We can simplify the fraction on the right side by cancelling out a t squared from the numerator and denominator. I get 1 over 2 over 6.25 over 2. This expression has a fraction in the numerator and a fraction in the denominator. We can simplify this expression by writing it as a division statement. We can write it as 1 over 2 divided by 6.25 over 2. Next, we can change this division statement into a multiplication statement. We should flip the fraction 6.25 over 2. I get 2 over 6.25. Now we can multiply the fractions. We should multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers. I get 2 over 12.5. This is the ratio of v of t over v of 2.5t. As you can see in the given answer choices, there are no decimal numbers. 2 over 12.5 is not one of the given answer choices, so we have to simplify our fraction. 2 over 12.5. We should get rid of the decimal point in the denominator. For that, we should multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. Because if we multiply 12.5 by 10, the decimal point will move one place to the right side and we'll get the whole number 125. So I get 20 over 125. We can reduce this fraction by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 5. I get 4 over 25. So the answer should be option B. This should be the final answer for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.